Good morning, students. In the previous class, we have completed up to first part of question number 3E, exercise number 5A. Today we will continue the same exercise. Let us start. See here. In second part, we have find the value of a plus b plus c. Value of a, b and c are given here. So, what is the value of a? A is 7b minus 3c plus 10d. This is the value of a. Then value of b is this 4b minus c plus 8d. Then value of c is 2a plus b plus c. Now students, see here, there is no term with a. In a, value of a, and in value of b, there is no term with a. But in c, there is a term with a. So we will write this 2a here like this. This is 2a, then plus b. B will be written below the b. We will write it like this, plus b and then plus c. Here it will be, this space will remain vacant because there is no term with d. Now we will find a plus b plus c. It means we have to add these three expressions. Now again same rule we will follow as I told you earlier here, that this is plus 8d plus 10d plus 8d. Both the terms are with plus sign, so we will add these number. It will be plus 10 and 8, 18d. Now minus 3c minus c plus c. Students, you know, if two numbers are with different sign, we subtract them, so we can cancel this minus c and this plus c. Only these two will be cancelled. Students, I told you earlier also, always remember, if it is suppose minus 2x plus 2x, both the numbers are with different sign, so we will subtract them. Means 2 minus 2, 0. So we will not write 0, we will simply cancel it. It is minus 2x plus 2x. Suppose it is minus 5b plus 5b, again they will be cancelled, is equal 0. Suppose 14x minus 14x, this 14x with plus sign and this 14x with minus sign. Again two numbers are with different sign and their numerical value is same, their literal factor is also same. When two numbers are with different sign, minus plus or plus minus, and both are same, it is 2x, it is also 2x, it is 5b, it is also 5b, it is 14x, it is also 14x, they are cancelled. So here minus c and plus c, these two numbers will be cancelled. Now what is left? It is minus 3c. Now it is plus 7b, you know, if in starting there is no sign, then it will be considered as plus. So it is plus 7b plus 4b and plus 1b. All three sign are plus plus, so we will add the numbers. 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 4, 12. It will be plus 12b and this 2a will be written as it is. This is the value of, we will write here a plus b plus c equal this. Here also you can write in the first question which was done in the previous video, a plus b. Clear? Now come to its third part. Its third part is b minus c. See students, how we will do. B minus c. First we will write the value of b in first bracket and value of b is 4b minus c plus 8d. 4b minus c plus 8d, this is the value of b. Then close the bracket. Close the bracket. Now minus again for c, value of c is 2a plus b plus c. Now as we did earlier subtraction of the algebraic expression, first we will write the expression of first bracket. It is 4b minus c plus 8d. Then change these three sign and we will write here it is minus 2a. We will write it as an extra term, minus 2a minus b then minus c. Now simplify it. It will remain plus 8d minus 1c minus 1c. Both are minus minus, so number will be added. It will be minus 2c plus 4b minus 1b. Two numbers are with different sign, so we will subtract smaller one from the greater one. We will get plus 3b. Now this minus 2a will be written as it is. Come to next part. It is fourth part. In fourth part we have to find 2a minus c. First we will write here 2a minus c. So student, we will write here 2, then put the value of a in first bracket. Value of a is 7b minus 3c plus 10d. Bracket close. This is 2 and this is value of a. Now this minus here, this c. Value of c is 2a. See, this is the value of c. 2a plus b plus c. Now first multiply it. 2 7 ja 14b. These all three terms will be multiplied by this 2. 2 7 ja 14b minus 2 3 ja 6c plus 2 10 ja 20d. Close the bracket. Now this minus 2a plus b plus c. Clear? Now first write this terms of first bracket. It is 14b minus 6c plus 20d. Now write the terms of second bracket after changing the sign. All three sign are plus, so we will write it minus 2, it will be written as minus 2a here as an extra term. It is minus 2a, then minus b, only b. This is minus b, minus 2a and minus b, not 2b, minus b and minus c. Now simplify it. It will be plus 20d minus 6c minus 1c minus 7c, then plus 14b minus b. It will be plus 13b, then it is minus 2a, again it is minus 2a will be written as it is. So it is minus 2a plus 13b minus 7c plus 20d. Our third E question is completed. Now come to next question F. F question is find the perimeter of a triangle with sides 4a plus 11b minus 2c plus, this is the first side, second side is 3a plus b plus c and third side is a plus 15b. Students, you know what is a triangle? Triangle is a polygon with three sides. This is a triangle. Its first side is this one, second side is this one and third side is this one, and we have to find the perimeter. So what is the perimeter? Perimeter of a triangle, we will write like this: triangle is equal sum of given three sides, sum of the length of थ्री साइड्स, जो थ्री साइड्स हैं इसकी ट्राइंगल के, इन तीनों का सम. So its first side is this one. First side is equal 4a plus 11b minus 2c. Second side is equal 3a plus b plus c. Now third side is equal a plus 15b. So we have to add these three sides. Then perimeter. Again we will do it like this as we did here. C minus 2c plus c. Plus c means plus 1c. These two terms are with different sign, minus and plus. When we will subtract this smaller one, this is the smaller one, we will subtract this smaller one from the larger one, we will get 1c. When we subtract this 1c from 2c, we will get 1c. And what is the sign before the larger number? It is minus. So it is minus 1c. And you know we do not write 1. It is minus c. Now plus 11b plus 1b plus 15b. All three sign are plus. So sign will be plus and we will add these number. 11 plus 1, 12. 12 plus 15, 27. Or we can say, see, it is 1 and 1, 2, 2 and 5, 7, 1 and 1, 2, 27. B, again this is 4a, this is plus 3a, this is plus 1a. All three sign are plus, so we will add these three numbers. 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. This is 8a. This is the perimeter of the triangle. Now G. G is find the perimeter of a rectangle with length. This is the length of the rectangle and this is the breadth of the rectangle given. So what is the formula for the perimeter of a triangle, students? You know, perimeter of a rectangle is equal, I don't know now you have learned or not. I think all of you have forgotten. It is 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B, 2 into length plus breadth. Now this is the 2. Put the value of L. L is length. 6a plus B. Right here 6a plus B. Now this plus here breadth. Breadth is a minus B minus C. A minus B minus C. Solve it. This 6a and this plus a. First we will solve it. We will simplify it. 6a plus 1a. It will be 7a. This is plus b and this is minus b. These are cancelled. As I told you here. Just now. Plus b minus b cancel. Then this minus c. 6a plus a. 7a minus c. Now multiply this 7a minus c with this 2. 2 7 ja 14a minus 2 into c 2c. This is the perimeter of a rectangle. Next, H part. Its H part is, I have not written. I think first I should write. Find the perimeter of an isosceles triangle with base 8 centimeter and each of the equal sides measuring 4.5 centimeter. This is the H part. So students, what is an isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangle is a triangle with two equal sides. An isosceles triangle is a triangle with two equal sides. See students, suppose this is an isosceles triangle. Find the perimeter of an isosceles triangle with base 8 centimeter. This is the base 8 centimeter and each of the equal sides measuring 4.5 centimeter. This side is 4.5 centimeter and this one is also 4.5. Means see each of the equal sides. इक्वल साइड में से ईच हर एक साइड 4.5 सेंटीमीटर है. सो वी कैन फाइंड इट्स पेरीमीटर वेरी इजली. पेरीमीटर ऑफ द isosceles triangle is equal sum of थ्री साइड्स. तीनों साइड्स का सम करेंगे हम. फर्स्ट साइड इज 4.5 सेंटीमीटर, सेकेंड साइड इज 4.5 सेंटीमीटर प्लस 8 सेंटीमीटर. हाउ वी विल एड इट? सी, वी विल राइट इट लाइक दिस 4.5 and this 8 will be written as 8.0. 5 5 10 carry 1, then 1 and 4 5, 5 4 9 and 8 17. Decimal below decimal. It is 17.0 centimeter or 17 centimeter. Clear students? So students, our exercise 5A is finished today. In the next class I will take revision. So be prepared, because earlier also I have taken a revision in the Zoom class. Now in the next class I will take revision of full one chapter. So be ready. Okay students, thank you and have a nice day.